Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech news and updates. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature WhatsApp might soon roll out: view once content on linked devices. Imagine being able to open those disappearing photos and videos on your desktop or tablet. Sounds convenient, right? Let's explore what this means for WhatsApp users and how it could change the way we share sensitive content. Stay tuned. WhatsApp is constantly evolving, and its latest potential feature is all about convenience and flexibility. According to recent reports, WhatsApp may soon allow users to open view once content from linked devices. For those who don't know, view once content includes photos and videos that disappear after being opened once, a feature designed for sharing sensitive or temporary media. Currently, this content can only be viewed on the primary device where it was sent, but that could soon change. This new update, still in development, would let you access view once photos and videos on your linked devices, such as your desktop, laptop, or tablet. Imagine receiving a view once photo on your phone but being able to open it on your computer without any hassle. It's a small change, but it could make a big difference for users who rely on multiple devices throughout the day. While this feature isn't available to the public yet, it's a clear sign that WhatsApp is working to improve cross-device functionality. The ability to access view once content across devices would not only enhance user experience but also make WhatsApp more versatile for both personal and professional use. However, there are some concerns about privacy and security. View once content is designed to be temporary and secure, so allowing it to be opened on multiple devices could raise questions about how WhatsApp ensures the content remains protected. Will the media still disappear after being viewed once across all devices? How will WhatsApp prevent screenshots or downloads? These are important questions that will need answers as the feature develops. For now, this update is still in the testing phase, and there's no official release date. But if it rolls out, it could be a game changer for how we share and view temporary content. What do you think about this potential feature? Would you find it useful to open view once content on linked devices? Or do you think it might compromise privacy? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching TechVerse. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech news. See you in the next video.